Today we're gonna talk about how to find SEX and DEX altcoins before they break out. You probably already know, but I'll just say it anyways. SEX is centralized exchanges like Binance, FTX, and the Turkish exchange Bitsy, and DEX altcoins, which are decentralized exchanges like SushiSwap and PancakeSwap. We'll get to that in a bit. So exactly how do you find altcoins uh, on your exchange? Well, most of the time, what you find is coins that are already up 15, 30%, and they're on the homepage or they're in your app alerting you. And that's always quite sexy and it's great to see and imagine how much you could have made. But if the coin's already up 15, 30% in a day, especially in a bear market like this, it's very unlikely that it will continue up in a straight line, and you're probably going to end up down on the day or even on the week. So it's better to find another way to screen for coins before they break out. CoinRotator is something that helps you do that. Now, this isn't really a sales pitch. This is more trying to explain how it works and why it's probably going to be useful for you. So, what exactly does CoinRotator screen for, and what makes it different is that instead of screening for, let's say, MACD crossover or MACD breakout or volatility, like this coin is up 15, 30%, we're actually checking for relative strength of an altcoin against BTC, ETH, and USD. This is quite unique. I haven't seen anyone else do this in the market, and I'm not sure why, but it seems quite logical. And as I've personally been using this for quite a few years, I'm quite confident that this is a very good approach to trading trends in altcoins. Okay, so once you understand how CoinRotator works, you're probably going to want to give it a try. And the first thing to do is to check settings. And we go here to the modal. We can configure the search like this with the super trend flavor. Either you can use the CoinRotator version, which is much faster than the standard, and I find it's quite useful for crypto trading. Or you can use the classic one. A lot of people who use the classic one, they use the super trend more as a support and resistance, whereas the way we're creating alerts, it's based on actually breaking out of a trend. So a coin that's been sitting in a sold or selling state, when it flips over to a buy state or an uptrend, more specifically, CoinRotator will signal that. So you can sort the coins through market cap, how fresh the trend is. A trend is created when the altcoin is in the same direction against all three markets, BTC, ETH, and USD. 1 through 5 trend streak will be the freshest, and it's the most interesting, at least for me, from a breakout standpoint. But there are other approaches to trading with CoinRotator. If you're looking at the median, you could be trading in a channel, and as the market is actually trading in a channel now, it could be good to screen for coins in the middle range, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. And here, the purpose of the video is to show the exchanges which are now available. Quite interested in Bitsy. It's a Turkish exchange, and they seem to have some unique football tokens, which I thought was kind of cool to check out. So I'm just going to use Bitsy here and screen. So now I can see the exchanges that I can see the signals for are for Bitsy. And for the current daily trend, I can see the coins that are in uptrends. And one coin in particular that caught my eye is Brazil's national football team token with a market cap of 47 million plus. This coin has been in an uptrend for quite a while, heading into the World Cup. Seems like it's probably going to remain relatively strong, and I'll be looking to purchase a few BFTs, Brazil national football team fan tokens, and see what we get. As you can see, the market is completely flat and it's been totally demolished from its entry because, like always, there's liquidity grabs from the VCs and the exchanges. But heading into the World Cup, I would expect that things are going to change for this. As you can see, the volume is growing on it. So yeah, that's one specific coin. Some of the other features that you can see with the new exchange, and as you can see, decentralized exchanges like Pancake Swap and Sushi Swap, which is pretty cool. I don't know any other screener that allows you to screen for coins like this and tell you the strength of the trend. I know there's places like Dex Screener, which is very cool for checking out very small shitcoins on obscure chains, but it's completely agnostic. It's data agnostic. It's not showing you which coins are strong and which coins are weak, other than, like I said, by percentage gain and volatility. Whereas CoinRotator is checking the relative strength against other coins, which for me is a big yes. So now we can see a list of coins on PancakeSwap and SushiSwap. So currently, Uniswap is a bit stronger against ETH and BTC. Chainlink is pretty popular. Ape is also up. But one coin in particular I've had my eye on is Pancake. Pancake is in a relatively fresh uptrend. It's only been in this state for 7 days now. And it's been a really nice gainer off the lows each day, even with Bitcoin trying to dip below 18 and 19K. But Pancake doesn't give a shit. It's still heading stronger. Okay, so now you see they have derivative screening, but we also have screening for sorry, not derivative, for decentralized exchanges, but we also have screening for derivatives. So as most coins are weak these days, you're probably going to want to building some kind of short position to hedge your spot positions, like you're long BTC, you're long ETH, you're long Cardano. But there are some pretty decent opportunities to hedge those, or even to short them if you're holding stable coins. Let's head to Binance. That's most popular, or even FTX, which has an awful lot of coins that you can short. So we can choose a trend to down and look for the freshest down streaks. You can see here. Oh wow, everything's already sold off. So what this means basically for me is it's not a good time to be short, or it's not a good time to enter new shorts. We're going to need to get out of this range we're in and see where we get ourselves. So that's pretty much it, I think. Talking about the CoinRotator screen elements. In this post, I'll drop in the description. I have quite a few setups, how I actually trade with CoinRotator, and you can either use a daily time frame or even weekly time frame if you're a bit of a slow mover. I recommend that to almost anyone who's in trading, unless you're far more advanced than what we have here. You're probably going to keep your profits if you move slowly and take very small amounts of risk in each trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for today. Oh yeah, and one more thing, we do have watch lists which we set up. So if you go to our Telegram and want to download the daily fresh trends, you can upload those into your trading view, and you can track those each day, looking for intraday setups or even weekly setups, as these signals don't change super fast. Having said that, if you have any questions about what I've said or I didn't make things clear, you can always head over to our Discord. The link is in the Medium post. and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, or if you want to talk strategies or whatever, doesn't matter. So yeah, stay safe, and let's survive 2022 and head into 2023, and hopefully the bull comes back. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.